Doing Space Ranger spin because it's only a 10-minute wait instead of like an hour. Coming at rope drop is the best.
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. Check the status board to review your score.
What'd I get? 214. I'm a planetary pilot. Wow, so they make those here, right here?
Yep.
It says 11 o'clock. What are we doing at 11? We got fast passes.
Fast passes all over there.
So you're gonna get one of these. What is it? Just hang it up in your house?
Mm-hmm. She has them hanging like in her windows in the kitchen.
Look at all their tools. I never even knew this was here. They're actually talking. What'd they say?
I think it's Minnie Mouse talking to me.
Oh, they're like always yelling into the phone every time. They need to learn some manners. This is my first mystery pack ever. So I'm hoping for a Dole Whip for sure. Maybe this one or this Haunted Mansion one. I don't really want this at all, so hopefully not. But if I get it, I'll trade it. Okay, look at the ducks.
Oh, the ducks are coming in.
They're coming inside?
Ducks are coming. Nope. He's leaving. Not interested anymore.
Okay, let's see what you
I'm nervous.
like a gender reveal.
Okay.
Oh, they're
He's cute
big.
though.
That's the Jungle Cruise boat, right?
Oh, that wasn't on there. Oh, it is the Jungle Cruise.
That's
Yeah.
cute.
That's
There's
cute.
the- you can
That
tell
one's
from the
cute.
roof.
That one's cute. All right. Please be a dollar. I don't think it is. We'll see. It might be this guy.
Little teacup?
No, the guy from Haunted Mansion. Haunted Mansion.
Oh, good.
He's
awesome.
cute.
It's a lot cuter when you can actually see him.
All right, this I might
They are a
trade.
lot cuter,
He's
aren't they?
cute, but I really wanted a Dole Whip. But
just
really cute, really cute. So Pirates is broken down, so we were staying in line for a while. And then they said it was broken down, so they gave us a fast pass to come back later.
At least we got a half-hour of air conditioning out.
Yeah, we got to stand in the air conditioning. Alright, we're hoping this is going to be better. Looking for the fast pass
no,
line.
this is the
That's just the normal line, okay. It's a little long, but it's not as bad as the regular line. Alright, we made it to Columbia Harbor House and we got some lunch. We're all starving. Nance got a salad with broccoli and some peppercorn dressing. And Paul and I both got the fish and chips with the chicken, and we went for some basic fries because it just sounded good. Oh no, Seven Dwarfs has stopped. Okay, the theme of today is every ride breaks down.
Right before our fast pass.
Right before our fast pass. So we could not ride Pirates of the Caribbean. Then we rode Haunted Mansion, but it stopped in the middle 3 times. And now it's time for our fast pass for Seven Dwarfs, and they're making people evacuate. Oh, this is fun.
You know what?
This is actually like so depressing.
Come on and ramble along. Squirrels! Shuffling down, rambling in for town, hustling, buzzing around, happily waiting at the station. Working on 709, popping, driving on time. Who do you think's about to ride? Go and call the Dixieland Fight. Boom, 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 all together now.
Ooh, we made it back to Pop Century. It's not raining yet, but it could anytime. Nancy might try to get in the pool, but they're going to close it probably as soon as we get over there. So, yeah, maybe it's going to clear up. That'd be awesome.
Do you have to do a secret knock?
Shrunken zombie head.
Tiki 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 Rum and Schweitzer Falls. As good as you remember?
So good.
So good. You gotta try yours. Nancy's is non-alcoholic, but it's still cute.
Very good.
You like it? Yeah. Good garnishes. Dumplings, lo mein, mixed veggies, and chicken wings. Here we got the chicken.
That would have been like the greatest
We
breakfast.
ate all of our shrimpies,
But
obviously.
just because the other stuff is there at breakfast, it's good, but
We're full. Gonna try to eat as much as we can. Yay!
Happy birthday.
Yay! Make a wish. Yay! Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
I was like, what else could you wish for? Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm excited for this.
What is this, guys?
Bananas Foster bread pudding.
Biggie.
Bread pudding.
And what is that, a caramel sauce?
Bananas Foster.
I don't know what that is.
It makes it.
It's like rum, caramel.
So it's a caramel sauce.
I think so.
Little pots here.
All right, Paul. You didn't know your...
Okay, listen up. Boys and girls,
Yes.
I need everyone's attention at this time. All right, boys and girls,
it's a little bit sweeter than when you make it at home.
Yeah.
You taste the rum a lot more at home. This is really good.
I bet you there's not a ton of rum in this one because we used a lot of rum. Yeah. Good.
Use your broom, sweep it or to push it. Understood?
So we had to get ponchos. Nancy bought us ponchos. Even though we have 2 at the room and 2 umbrellas, but we didn't want to carry them around, and so now we're paying the price. But it's okay. Now we can stay till midnight.
20% off.
20% off, annual pass. Got 20% off. We basically got one for free, so yeah.
Passes just paid for themselves in ponchos.
It's time for, you know what, Dole Whip. Dole Whip.
Gotta get a picture of it.
Okay.
This is it. Do I take the top?
Yeah, do it.
Ready?
I was afraid you didn't like it first. Oh, there's a hole in it?
Yeah.
Boo. Dole Whip success. Alright, we just watched Happily Ever After.
Which was great.
Amazing. It's still raining hardcore, so we got to see it though. They didn't do Tinkerbell, but they did everything else. And then we tried to ride Seven Dwarfs. It's
Now
closed.
it's down.
So we're gonna use our fast pass because we can use it anywhere, and we only have until 10 o'clock to use it. We're gonna use it on It's a Small World, and that's closed. So I don't know why that's closed, but we don't know what to do now. So we're just gonna try to do something. So we have extra magic hours. We'll see. We're on a ride, almost. She's nervous. Nervous.
Remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your feet.
Oh, that was good.
She missed most of it because her eyes were closed.
Oh, that was good. Oh, no. Woo! Woo! Oh my god. Okay. Woo! Oh, let's do it again.
N-O.
Riding by yourself is awesome. I was all over the place. I could not even hold myself.
You're so little.
I was flying back and forth, and my legs couldn't even like support me to stay in the same spot. It was awesome. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Thing off now.
Okay, good times. are gonna leave now?
Well, unless you can play us a couple more penny trucks.
Hey, I love this song.
Alrighty. Bye-bye, Castle. See you soon.
See you real soon. Did you have a good trip, Nancy?
I had a great trip.
Did you have a good birthday?
I did. Fabulous birthday.
Fabulous.
It was rainy all day.
Birthday.
It was rainy for my birthday, wasn't
Well, you had such a positive attitude.
it? Because
We're lucky
I
we
didn't
had
know
you
any
because we would have
difference.
gotten
We
really
would have just been like
scrappy
Down there a
grouchy.
little closer.
It was a really good trip. Very short, very sweet.